SBA Publications.
Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope that you are doing very well at your homes and doing rhymes every day. So today I am here with another rhyme that is going to be very fun. So what is the name of this rhyme? It is Two Little Dicky Birds. So without wasting any time, let's start the rhyme. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. So now let us do the same rhyme with actions. Okay, so let's start. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall, one named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. So, how was the rhyme? I hope that you enjoyed it and it is very easy for you to learn. So, keep enjoying the rhymes and don't forget to show them to your parents with actions. Okay, children, soon I'll be coming back with another new interesting rhyme. Till then, keep learning the rhymes. Bye bye.